Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Alex the Honeydew List. And today I'm gonna be just kind of going through a little bit of an electrical uh, recess lighting job that I put together for you guys to take a look at. So these are, as you can see, they're very easy to install. Here we got just some clips that actually take the wire that you install, and it just joins it right together, and there's not any type of twisting wires that needs to be done with any type of caps. All you do is you just put it into that little black box, connect the light source, pull the springs in, and that's it. It flaps right over the sheetrock and sits in place. We're doing another one right here, and it's the same concept. It actually is the last second to last light that is installed. So again, you pull the flaps back. This one in particular I had a little bit of a trouble with because the spring kind of came out of place, so I had to adjust it a little bit, but no worries, I got it, and it fit in really nice after adjusting it. And as you can see, it's going to sit right in place, and we're done. Simple and easy to do. You guys should definitely look into those lights. They also have a setting where you can go from 3,000 lumens to 5,000. So now we are installing the box for it's a 2-gang box, and really easy to install. Just going to make a marking on the sheetrock. This is going to be for the TV that's going to be set up there, just so that there's no any type of outlet so far away from that corner or that little edge, the way that the roof slopes. So what we're going to do with that is we're just going to go ahead and mark out the area of the box and cut around that cable before we insert it. Now the cool thing about these boxes is they have a little bit of a flap on the top and the bottom, and what that's used for is to settle the box in place right against the sheetrock. It kind of puts pressure. There's a screw, and it brings the flap forward, and it basically just compresses against the sheetrock on the inside. So it makes things a little bit easier when you're going to be doing any type of installations for cabling that require a box, and you didn't do it, let's say, before you put in the studs and attached it to a stud, as most electricians would do. So this is an alternative to that, and it's still safe. The cabling is all enclosed, and you can go ahead and install those with pretty much very easy. So this here, what I'm doing, as you can see, is I'm cutting around the cable, and I'm basically cutting open where the box is going to sit in. So I'm using a serrated sheetrock knife, and these things come in really handy. Some people would use a multi-tool, and they're great, but sometimes, you know what, you can do this just as easy with a serrated blade, and it's not that much quicker. So you just go ahead and mark out your box size, and do your best to just set it up in place the way that it will sit best. So once we get this in place, the idea is just to turn the screw so that there's room for the flap to open up, and then just kind of compress against the wall. Now the wire that we're using here is a 214, so it's basically a white, a black, and a ground. And the lighting that we put in place in the ceiling is extremely low voltage. It's like 3 volts. This here is going to be a 120 outlet, and again, like I said, it's going to be for the TV that's going to hang from there. I was having a little bit of trouble with this one here, because for some reason, I don't know, I thought it had the box size right. I had to actually open it up a little bit more just to settle it in. But at the end of it all, you'll see we get it together pretty nice and set it up so that once the spackling is done, and the sanding is done, we can go ahead and put the outlet in place, and then put the faceplate on, and after it's painted. So just if you guys haven't followed my channel, it would really help me out, and I would really appreciate it. Check me out at Alex the Honey Duelist, and for more videos on home improvement, tips and tricks that you guys can take advantage of. And if there's any questions that you guys have, make sure to comment in the comment section below. But really would appreciate it if you guys would subscribe and follow me for more videos and remodels that I have up and coming for the channel. See you guys soon. Take care, guys. Hope you like this demo.